let's try a 150 kilowatt hour charging speed. So you can see we're at 12%. We're going to charge to 80. There are multiple cars here, so the 150 kilowatt hour charging stations actually split the charging. So as you can see, we're only charging at about 73, 74 kilowatts. Alright, and at that speed, you can see it says it's going to take an hour and 10 minutes. So it doesn't seem like upping the charge rate really does much, because it does taper off relatively quick. If I go from 0 to 99, I think took about an hour and 10 minutes at a 250 kilowatt hour charging station. So that would be another, what, 28%? So you would get an extra 28+% using a faster charging station. Or even if one car left here, the one that's next to me left, then this would charge faster. But as you can see, at the current rate, it's going to charge in an hour and 10 minutes. The battery is 123 kilowatt hours. So yeah, alright, so we'll see you guys when a little more time passes, because it looks to be like it's staying solid at 73 kilowatts, and it's probably going to stay there almost the entire time, unless that other car leaves. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it's closer to being done, or when the other car leaves if something happens. Okay, see you guys then. Alright, as you can see, we're at 25%. It says 1 hour remaining, 9:30 p.m. and we're still charging at 72 kilowatts. So yeah, I have a feeling the charge rate is just going to stay the same almost the entire time. Alright, as you can see, it's still fluctuating around 73 and 72 kilowatts. Alright, we're at 29% now, 55 minutes remaining, it's 9:34. One car left, but not the one next to me, so we're still at the same charge speed. So yeah. Alright, so the person next to me left, but we're still only charging at 73 kilowatts, so I don't know if I'd have to unplug and plug it back in for it to detect again, because all the cars next to me are gone, as you can see. So we should technically have the full 150 kilowatt to ourselves now, but as you can see, nothing changed. Maybe let me try unplugging it and plugging back in and see if there's a change. Alright, let's go do that. It's still at 73, 72. We're on 7B, nobody next to us. Let's unplug. Now I'm going to waste some time, but let's see what happens. You can see it close. Let's see if I can push the button to get it to open. Okay, it's opening. And go. Let's see if there's any change. Any change? Did I just make it take longer by not charging for a minute? Okay, it's still taking a while to charge. Here we go. 15 minutes remaining still. 9:38. Come on, go higher. Nope. 1 kilowatt higher for a second. Yeah, so I guess even with only me here, it's not changing it. I guess it's still just charging at 73 for some reason. I wonder why. That's really strange. Huh. Wonder if I should take the other one. It's fine, I'll just wait. Alright, so yeah, this 150 kilowatt charging station is slow. So anyways, I'll see you guys when we're closer to done. 15 minutes remaining, and probably gonna have another Tesla parked next to me. Actually, they just drove by. Alright, you can see we're at 51%. It's now 9:59 p.m. and still charging at 72, 73 kilowatts. Alright, as you can see, it's 10:11 p.m. Alright, 73 kilowatts, still charging the same speed, 72, 73, 20 minutes remaining. Alright, we're now at 69%, 10:17 p.m., 15 minutes remaining, 70% now, still charging at 72. Alright, as you can see, we're at 77%. It is, why is the clock over there now? Come back. How do I get it back? Go. There we go. Okay, 77%, 10:25 p.m. and still charging at 73 kilowatts. So it just charges the same speed the entire time. Alright, and it just finished at 10:29 p.m., 80%. So let's go and unplug it. Alright, there you go. It's all green. Unplug. Put it back in there, and let's go. See you guys later.